process. To start with the registration process, click on the enrollment process. Go click on EPROCURE. Go to the homepage of CWP eprocure.gov.in. Now, after this, click on EPROCURE. Now, click on the link. Click here to enroll. Now, to start with, the bidder enters his login ID of the e-procurement portal. Now, enter the password for your account and re-enter the password to confirm the password. After filling the details, click on next. Now, fill the required information, the company details of the bidder, the bank details, contact details, and the business data. After entering all the details of the bidder, click on submit. Enter the security question and then click on submit. This is the information filled by the bidder. Verify the details. After verifying all the details, click on submit. Now, the bidder logs in using his login ID and password he has made during the registration process. This is the bidder's dashboard. He has not registered with the DSC yet. Hence, he would be seeing the warning message. Click on the link. Click here to register digital signature certificate to map the certificates with their account. The prerequisites for DSC registration is bidder must possess a valid DSC. It can be procured from any certifying authority like SIFI, ENCODE, MTNL. Respective DSC drivers needs to be installed in your system. DSC needs to be physically inserted into the system. DSC should appear in the browser. Now, to register with the signing certificate, click on the link signing certificate. Click the checkbox and then click on run. Select the certificate name and then click OK. You will see the confirmation message. DSC is enrolled successfully. Click OK. There you will see the details of the DSC, the certificate name, the type of certificate, its validity and enrollment date. Click on next. After the DSC registration, you will be able to see the options available for the bidder. Search active tenders. In this option, you can search for the active tenders, latest tenders, archived clarification. You can see the clarifications related to previous tender. In my tenders, move the tenders in which the bidder intends to participate. Bid opening live. By clicking on bid opening live, you can see the current status of the bid opening. See clarification. It enables the bidder to clarify the query he has online. This option would only be available if the department has configured it. My bids. This will list all the bids submitted by the bidder. My archive, it will list the tenders which is moved from my tenders. Tender status, it will let you see the status in which the various tenders are. Upload shortfall documents. It enables the bidder to upload the documents asked by the tender inviting authority during the technical evaluation. By clicking on the view profile, he can view the profile information and he can edit it as well by clicking on edit profile. For your account information, my documents, he can upload the predefined. These are those documents which are frequently asked and kept ready to be attached with bid. Alert and product category. Bidder can specify his product category. Mails will be generated if a tender is published under the selected product category and sent to bidder. To start with the process of bid submission, the bidder logs in using his login ID and password. After entering the login ID and password, click on login. Now this is the second level of authentication, the DSC authentication. The DSC must be physically inserted in your system while this activity. After entering the password for your DSC, click OK. Now click on search active tenders to search for tenders. These are various parameters through which you can search for any tender. After entering some parameter, click on submit. This will list the tender matching to that parameter. Click on the view icon to view the tender, and if you want to quote in that tender, click on checkbox and then click on save. You will see the confirmation message, tender has been set as your favorite successfully. That means you have moved the tenders to my tender. Now click on my tenders to quote in that particular tender. These are the list of tenders you have moved from search active tenders. Now click on view icon to view the tender. These are the documents uploaded by the department. You can view the document by clicking on the link. To continue with the bid submission process, click on pay offline. These are the terms and conditions of the portal. Read the terms and conditions carefully. After reading the terms and conditions, click on the radio button, I agree. Then click on submit. Now enter the tender fee details, the currency type, the instrument type, instrument number, issue date and expiry date, amount and issue details. Now after entering the details, click on save. You will see the details added below. Now click on next. Now you need to enter the amount for EMD. Similarly,